Hi, this is Charlie with Cousins Martial Arts. I'm here today to talk to you about a very serious issue that I see with some of our students that are coming in and some of our parents that are telling us about their children. And that topic today is ADHD, Attention Deficit Disorder. This is a very serious thing, and I feel like it is being diagnosed more and more with younger children. And I want to touch on some experiences that I've had working with these children, having them some of our classes and the things that we see. I want to start out with saying that there is definitely alternatives to medication. We have worked with students, and at the beginning they have a hard time, focusing and paying attention. But when we give them something that they're passionate about or that they actually like doing, it's amazing how they can actually focus in on exactly what they want to do. So, with our martial arts and with our life skills that we are teaching them, in our classes, we're focusing specifically on things that students with ADHD are lacking. We're teaching our students how to focus. We're teaching them how to discipline themselves. We're teaching them what control is. We're working on these specifically every single day that they come in. So they'll work on one particular every day. For instance, if today were focus day, all of the drills, everything that we do in our program are focused around the word focus. So at the end of the day, they can tell us the definition of focus and how they can use it at school or at home. So what we're doing is we are basically touching on the in-betweens that the schools don't have a chance to because of time. The schools are great at teaching our students math, science, history, social studies, whatever it may be. But what they lack on sometimes is having the time to teach their students actually how to focus and how to pay attention, how to discipline themselves to actually do that homework when they get home. So in our program, this is what we're working on. We're teaching them what this means. And I work with a lot of younger students. When the first time I work with them, I ask them what focus means or what discipline means. And they have a hard time really telling me. They've heard of the word before, but they don't actually understand it, and they don't understand the definition. So how do we expect our children to demonstrate focus or demonstrate listening abilities without them actually knowing what it is? So this is what we do in our program. And again, this is a very serious thing, and I'll be honest, it drives some of our parents crazy because they can't get their kids to focus and pay attention at home. So again, there is alternatives to medication. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say that all cases can be cured through martial arts, but I do believe that there is a large majority of students that we can help with our system. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call or continue checking out our website. If you fill in some information on our website here, we'll give you a call, get in contact with you, maybe talk to you a little bit about your situation that you have with a child, and lead you in the right direction. So thank you very much, and have a good day.